What's up guys, welcome to the first ever fight review. Today I'm going to be looking at a fight scene from a really cool filmmaker. His name is Michael Jadwish. He sent me a link on last week's video and asked me to check out his fight, so that is what I'm going to do. But I'm not going to show you the full fight, so if you want to see the whole thing, make sure you go watch it on his channel. There's going to be a link right in the description, so go watch that first, give him some love, and then when you're ready, come back here and we're going to jump in and break down their fight scene. Okay guys, so let's just jump right in. I'm going to show you my favorite parts of this fight scene, and I'm going to show you the couple things that I would fix. This looks like a fight scene that was actually made for the Star Wars Challenge. This is going to be a lightsaber battle, so let's just jump right in. So first of all, I love the use of really long takes in this short. I love the camera work and how they're using really nice floaty movement. This is obviously a filmmaker that's telling an actual story. Alright, so first of all, one of the things I wanted to say is I love that they're using these tonfas. I don't think I've ever seen used before, so that's really cool. Also, I really enjoy these really long takes. Just to illustrate that, let's go back and watch this first shot again and count the beats. Obviously, they did a lot of choreography. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's amazing. To do 20 moves in one take with a moving camera with two actors like that, to me that actually shows off some really good skill. Now the other thing about this fight scene that I really enjoyed is actually the use of hero shots. Check out this one right here. I love how they like establish the character right here. Boom. Look at that. Really, really cool use of a hero shot and a really good way to pause the fight and add a little bit more of a story to it. So here's another shot that I really enjoyed. I love when filmmakers use inserts to tell the story in the fight scene. So if you look at this right here, so this part of the fight right here, he turns around, grabs it. I really enjoyed that. Showing the insert of changing a grip in mid-air while getting focus on that. That was a really, really cool shot. Okay, so now that I've talked about a couple of the things that I love about this fight scene, I'm just gonna give you 2 notes about stuff that you guys could work on for next time. The one thing I really noticed is that this tall guy over here, he felt a little bit stiff with his choreography. This can kind of happen sometimes when you have a tall person fighting a shorter person. You kind of feel like you gotta have smaller movements, but since he's so big, he should try to maybe like extend his reach more and like really flow. So see like this part right here where he does the block, boom, and goes over. I think he's just looks like he's a little bit tight. So what would really help a performer in that situation if you're directing them is just tell them to relax, maybe run through it very slowly. Pay attention to the body movement and the flow, because that's what I think makes something really stand out to me, is when the character looks comfortable in his own body, and it makes it really believable for me. Now the only other thing I would fix in this fight is whenever you guys take your hits to the ground, I wish that you guys were wearing maybe like long sleeves so you could put on some elbow pads and actually hit the ground. I can kind of tell you were saving yourselves a little bit. So here's the first one. See, I can kind of tell, like, maybe it would have helped if you had a different angle of him showing the impact more, or maybe just shaking the camera a little bit. But just for this one take right here, it just kind of looks a little soft for me. And same thing kind of goes for this roll over here. Like, I love the choreography, I love the design of it. But I wish that it didn't look like the guy was prepping for his roll. You know, maybe a tighter angle would have helped, or maybe like if he was able to take more of a run into it, he wouldn't stop after only one turn. Maybe he would like keep going and land on his other side. Another minor thing that I would have fixed in this fight scene is actually to maybe have the sound effects for the impacts on the people's faces and bodies maybe be a little bit louder. I just felt like on this hit right here to his face, I didn't really hear the impact. And that looked like a close-up shot, and you saw his face getting hit by the knee. It would be nice to get like a little bit more of a thud right there. But anyways, I hope you guys won the competition if you entered one. Some more things I want to say about the fight, and you guys that are watching this should definitely go check it out. There's some really dope choreography in the second half. Like, I don't want to give too much away, but you guys should definitely see the fight. It looks amazing. And once again, I just wanted to congratulate you guys on an amazing storytelling talent. Great camera work throughout, great performance, and great acting. So great job, Michael. Great job, team. And for you guys that are watching, make sure you go leave them some love. Alright guys, this wraps up our fights review for this week. Make sure you leave me links down below for anything else you'd like me to break down. Next week I might be breaking down a fight scene from Ip Man 3, which is going to be Muay Thai versus Wing Chun. and I think it's going to be really interesting. I have something really cool to show you. But if you guys have any more ideas, leave them in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you want to learn more about creating fight choreography or stunts and parkour and filmmaking in general, make sure you check out my channel. I have a bunch of different playlists for those different things, and I'm going to drop a link to a stunt tutorial playlist below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Let me know. Now get out there, stay safe, have fun shooting, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.